New information about the Avata 360 has just surfaced, and some of it is quite surprising. It reveals an unexpected strategy from DJI for launching this drone. Last week, I posted a video talking about the official teaser for the DJI Avata 360, which started the countdown for the arrival of this drone. But recently, this leak appeared, shared by Jasper Ellens, revealing brand new details about pricing, accessories, and DJI's new launch strategy. The headline highlights the main news right away. The DJI Avata 360 will have a low pricing, replaceable lenses, and the date for a new teaser will also be revealed. The first topic mentioned is the battery. The DJI Avata 360 will feature a new intelligent battery, expected to cost around $70. As revealed in a previous leak, it will have about 20% more capacity than the battery used in the DJI Avata 2, which currently costs around $100. This also confirms the combo prices that leaked earlier, which should be extremely competitive in order to compete with the anti-gravity A1. The second topic was a big surprise. The Avata 360 will feature replaceable lenses. This was unexpected, especially because even the Osmo 360 doesn't offer this feature. That limitation disappointed many potential buyers. I personally know a few people who ended up choosing the Insta360 X5, and the replaceable lens was a decisive factor in their decision. Another interesting detail is the reasonable price. The kit with a pair of lenses is expected to cost around €50. Next, he talks about this photo that appeared on a Chinese social network. In a world full of AI-generated images, it's becoming harder and harder to know what is real and what is fake. But he says he verified before posting, and believes the image is authentic. In the foreground, there appears to be a unit of the Avata 360. In the background, you can see the box for the cheapest package, which includes only the drone, without the remote control and without the goggles. And here he makes another interesting revelation. The Avata 360 will likely follow the same strategy used with the Neo 2. There may not be any combo that includes the goggles 3. Most likely, DJI will adopt the goggles N3 as the standard option, helping keep the combo prices even more affordable. The plan from DJI is to outperform all other competitors in the drone sector by making its products extremely accessible. The Avata 360 will be so affordable, nobody will even contemplate to buy an anti-gravity. The drone will fit perfectly into the DJI ecosystem, which means it should work with all of the brand's latest controllers and goggles. It will likely be able to follow you autonomously, just like the Neo 2, and it will only be double the price of a Neo 2. He also confirmed that the Avata 360 will weigh more than 250 grams. This is something I had already mentioned in my previous videos. In fact, it was already an obvious conclusion, since the Avata 360 will use a battery with about 20% more capacity than the one in the Avata 2, which already weighs 377 grams. Because of that, he believes the drone will weigh around 400 grams. Next, he revealed another piece of news. DJI may change its launch strategy. Instead of relying on those typical controlled leaks, the company plans to release several teasers leading up to the launch. They also intend to involve YouTubers more directly in the launch process. Because of that, another teaser is already expected to be released next Thursday, March 12th, continuing the build-up for the Avata 360. This strategy is very different from what we're used to seeing in traditional launches, where DJI usually releases a mysterious and enigmatic video that reveals only a few small parts of the new drone. And yesterday, Jasper Ellens made another post, saying that this may be the first time we're seeing a 360 degrees image displayed on the screen of the RC2. He isn't sure how practical this will actually be, but at least it shows that DJI may already be ahead of anti-gravity, which doesn't offer any traditional controller with a built-in screen. Now that we know DJI has changed its strategy, and plans to release multiple teasers, it's no longer possible to accurately predict when the Avata 360 will actually be available for sale. We also don't know if DJI will keep its usual strategy of launching the drone first in China and then doing the global release about 15 days later. For now, all we can do is wait and hope that the Avata 360 is released sometime this month. As soon as more leaks appear, I'll make another video sharing the latest updates. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.